The TikTok creativity program is paying out regular people thousands a month. You've definitely heard about this now unless you've been snoozing under a rock. Now the easiest way to make money in the TikTok creativity program is to make videos that generate millions of views, as you get paid per 1,000 views on a video. So this all sounds simple, right?
Wrong.
You see, the problem is there are so many different page ideas out there that it's very hard to get started on a page, and even when you do get started on a page, sometimes they might just get 0 views because no one's interested in that content or it's already really saturated. So picking a TikTok niche might be the most important step on your journey and the thing that's holding you back from earning like a decent amount of cash online. And we'll be dropping some absolute heat on you guys today. The best TikTok niches out there right now are generating real people millions of views.
And I go in the studio, well, I cook up right here.
First up, we have the facts niche. Now the facts niche is very simple, it's been around for a while, but it has been evolved upon since then. So this page here has over 100,000 followers, constantly getting viral videos, but to be honest, the best part about this page is that these videos are super easy to make. Like a beginner could start making these videos today. So the idea behind this niche and these style of pages is that they show you interesting facts that the average person wouldn't know. And because people are just curious, it's human nature, they'll want to watch that video. If you give them a good hook at the start, they'll be engaged and they're like, okay, I want to see what this interesting fact is, or turtles have been lying to me all my life, you're joking, I need to watch. It just engages them and it makes them want to watch, and we're appealing to that part of human psychology. So for you to understand what I mean, just watch some of these.
The strangest fruit in the world that you may have never heard of, especially the last one. These are things that prove China is unlike any other country in the world. And the last one will shock you.
As you can see, these videos are extremely engaging and the average person will stop and watch these videos, and that is why they're generating millions of views. And this kind of niche as well doesn't tend to die out because people are always looking to learn something and learn interesting facts. So it's why it's a great niche to get into. The most important part of this niche, if you are going to do it, is just to make that hook at the start really engaging. Kind of is the basic philosophy with all TikTok pages, but with this one especially, you just want to make sure that the start in 5 seconds of the video catches that viewer's attention. You need to give them such an interesting fact or make them question something so much that they want to watch the video, and that's where this niche really shines. Alright, next up we've got a bit of a strange one. Heading back to school, we're diving into the Excel sheets. You know, back in the day people said I was a bit of a freak in the sheets. Sorry, that was a bad joke. Anyways, you might not have considered an Excel TikTok page to be so good and to make you a lot of money, but these pages are actually really good and popping off. Like this page here is generating millions of views. All the videos are over a minute long as well. The guy is literally just screen recording himself using Excel. That's all he's doing. And there's loads of these different pages out here. It's not just this guy, there's loads of people capitalizing on this. And all you have to do is show people how to do like a formula on Excel, like a cool little trick. It's like these videos aren't hard to make. Like just watch one of these.
First, right-click on your Make this amazing map chart in Excel.
I think people with office jobs might find these videos satisfying, or maybe they're actually, you know, looking at them to have some helpful tricks to help them out at work. So that's why these videos do well. Now if you're thinking, well, I know absolutely nothing about Excel, you know, I'm just going to skip to the next one. Well, that's where you're wrong. You can just copy the other guys using Excel. Like what they're doing on Excel will work on your Excel as well. Just screen record the, you know, like the same formula that they're using and just do it on your own Excel. You know, maybe add like a bit more of a twist to it on your video. You can still get into this niche and, you know, start building that TikTok page. I really like this niche because of how easy it is to edit. You literally just have to screen record Excel and just, you know, do a few cuts. It's not that hard. It is completely faceless, so anyone can do this. To be honest, it is a bit unethical if you're just stealing like formulas and stuff from other people, but you know, do with this information what you will. But I don't see anyone really talking about this niche on YouTube, so if you are wanting to do it, I'd dive into it now before it becomes too saturated. It is kind of like a hidden gem that I constantly see popping off. Alright, so next up, let's talk about the satisfying ball videos. You've probably all seen these videos by now. They're really engaging and they just trap you. You're just looking at your phone, just watching this ball, dun 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 dun. But anyways, these videos are really engaging. Constantly see them on my timeline. Now the biggest problem with this is what we're all thinking, you know, I'm not an animator, I can't make these style of videos. You know, at first glance they look like they're really highly edited and that, you know, they're too advanced for the average person. Well, I'm about to put you on. I'm about to plug you up with what these guys are doing. The way these guys are actually making these videos is by playing a game on their phone. See, there's actually a game called Music Ball Tunes. You download this on the Play Store and you can load it up, and as soon as you load it up you can like upload your own music tracks. There's some tracks already uploaded on there, like music songs that already play the ball to the beat. The fact that you can upload your own songs and then build a track around your own song is really where this niche shines. You're literally making like a cool animation by playing a game. It is honestly so simple. It's just uploading a song and then just building the track and then pressing the play button and then just screen recording it and then uploading it to TikTok. That's all these guys are doing, and they're generating millions of views. Honestly, when people find out how easy it is to do this, because right now there's kind of like a barrier to entry, people are just thinking, oh, it's too hard. But as soon as people realize it's just a game on your phone, this is going to get saturated. So if you are thinking about doing this, I'd jump on it now before everyone jumps on. Next up, let's talk about Mapmatica. Now, this is a travel page, and you know I love travel pages, but this guy's doing it really, really well. This guy starts all these videos by zooming into an interesting location and then just kind of talking about that location and why it's interesting. Now, these videos aren't highly edited, they're literally just clips of the place and with some captions on the screen. He's not showing his face, and these videos are generating millions of views, and they're over a minute long. So he's getting that TikTok creativity program bread. He's making it in. Now, this is so simple to edit. To do this zoom in effect, all you have to do is go into Google Earth and zoom in on a location, record it, and boom, you've got the zoom in effect, and you can just get the clips online, throw it all together, and you're there. The hardest part about this niche, I'd say, is actually making the script for the video and finding these interesting locations. But if you're already interested in travel, and you might be, this just sounds like fun to me. For me, researching locations and then making a video on it sounds like a lot of fun. But obviously with this, you need to make sure you get that good hook. With the locations, it's like, you won't believe this place exists, or in this area people walk upside down. Obviously that's not true, but you get what I mean. The hooks, there needs to be good hooks at the start of these videos in order to get the people in, so you can start generating these views. That's what this guy's doing so successfully, and it's why he's absolutely popping off. Right, next up we have a brain rot page, and this might be one of the brain rottiest trends or videos that I've seen in quite a while. I thought the SpongeBob trivia quizzes were bad and top of brain rot, but what I'm seeing right now is ridiculous. I honestly don't know how these videos are going viral, so just watch this and let me know what you think. Alright, so I hope we're on the same page now about how awful these videos are. They are generating millions of views, and with that means that the creators of these videos are making a killing off it. So I thought I'd include it in the video. Obviously it's just getting these cat memes on a video, and it's just creating like a little story or like a little fun meme thing. These videos are over a minute long, so this guy is making the money off it. The thing is, these videos are literally generating like hundreds of thousands of views. Like, all these videos seem to be popping. So it is kind of a new niche. It is a new brain rot niche. So I imagine more people will be doing it soon. But again, with brain rot page, like I've mentioned in my other videos, you have to take into account these trends won't last forever. This trend will eventually die, but if you want to take advantage of it for like the next couple of months, I'd say definitely jump on, because you're going to get some easy views if you make a page on this. Alright, finally let's talk about the lyric text niche. Now, I have recently made a video on how you make these videos, but I just thought I'd include this in here if you guys haven't watched it. So these videos just make it more interesting because it's like a song. It turns that boring text and boring chat into a song, and obviously it's a new kind of thing on TikTok. So when people are viewing these videos, they're constantly getting engaged, and they're getting engrossed in this type of video, and it is popping off. Some of these guys will be making these pages, and in a month they've got into the TikTok creativity program. That is why they're so good. This content is really easy to make. Like I said, I have made a tutorial on it, but you literally just upload the text conversation into an AI thing called Sooner. It is free. You get like 5 songs a day, and it does all the work for you, and you just throw it into CapCut and just edit the video. It's really, really simple. If you're going to do this niche though, remember that the background gameplay, like Subway Surfers or the Minecraft parkour, needs to be 100% original. A lot of people are getting flagged because they're just using gameplay they found online, and it's not good. The way TikTok works is if it sees content that's being re-uploaded, which a gameplay being uploaded again is a re-upload, it'll just flag you. Even if the content over it's different, that gameplay is going to flag you, and obviously we're here to make some cash, so we don't want that. Alright, so if you need any help with any of these niches, if you want your own page reviewed, check out my free Discord down below. I hope you enjoyed the video, hope I've dropped some sauce on you, and I'll see you all in the next one.